In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an iPhone 16 to AirPods. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which iPhone model or which generation of AirPods you have, you can easily connect them together. So the main way to do this is to simply open the AirPods case when they are in close proximity of the iPhone. Immediately upon doing this, they should be detected, as you can see here. As long as you have a genuine set of AirPods, as soon as you open the case or the lid, they will be detected and you will find the option to connect. There's no secret to this. Any iPhone model should be capable of detecting the AirPods nearby. Now, if this doesn't work right away, there is one additional step that you have to take to ensure that this connection works. But if you see the connect option, just tap it here and you are good to go. All of the audio being output on the iPhone will go over to the AirDots. If this doesn't work, go to these settings and then access the Bluetooth category. Enable Bluetooth and then try again. Put them in close proximity and open the lid. If it still fails, then all that you have to do is press and hold this physical button at the back of the AirPods case. Make sure that the AirPods are inside. When you press and hold this particular button, it is going to enable pairing mode on the AirPods. And with this done, they are going to appear under the list of other or available devices. So all that you have to do now is select them from the list and they will be connected to your iPhone. If you turn up the audio, you will be able to see that the audio is being output on the AirPods, and you can use all sorts of functions like active noise cancellation, how you want to listen to the audio nearby, and so on. The AirPods are easy to set up as long as you have a genuine set and they work with any model of iPhone that you have. Put them in close proximity and they will be able to automatically detect the iPhone and set up this connection for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 16 to AirPods. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.